Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. Just wanted to come and chat with you guys. In today's video, I know that you guys have seen this catalog. I'm so excited about it. You can go to wicklessallstars.com and check it out, guys. And there's a catalog on my website that you can actually see at the bottom. It's a digital catalog, but there's also, you can check out all of the latest scents and all of the different things that the catalog has to offer. So the catalog is so amazing. But I wanted to come and chat with you about our Scentsy scents, guys, our fragrances and all the things, and what is our strongest scent. You know, Scentsy has over 80 different scents to choose from. So as you can see in the catalog as well, it also tells you that. So all of the, in the actual, on my website, you can check it out. We have over 80 scents to choose from. The description is exactly like the scents. So if you have never tried Scentsy before, I promise you the description is exactly what the description says. So if it says that it smells like graham cracker, or if it smells like cinnamon, or it has like vanilla, it exactly the exact description. So that's what I love about Scentsy scents, if you have not tried them before. So I just wanted to go over the strongest Scentsy scents. I'm just going to pick a few scents, guys. But as I said, Scentsy has over 80 different scents to choose from. So it gives you an option to choose from several, many different Scentsy scent categories. So they have new releases, they have holiday, they have spice, they have bakery, they have fresh, they have woodsy or woods, they have fruity, they have citrus, and they have floral. So guys, Welcome Home is also a classic fragrance scent, and it's very strong. So if you ever tried the Scentsy Welcome Home scent, it's very strong. It's warm, it's welcoming, it has cinnamon and spices. So Welcome Home is definitely a signature fragrance that a lot of our realtors use, you know, the people for closing gifts and so forth and so on and so on. So Welcome Home is a scent that you can use, guys, and you'll love it. You really will. So we have the Scentsy bakery scents, just to name a few. An ode to edible, delectably sweet goodies includes notes like vanilla, cinnamon and caramel, cocoa, and pie crust. So that's our bakery line. Just to name a few, you have blueberry cheesecake, that's a bestseller. You have vanilla bean buttercream, that's a bestseller. You have cinnamon buttercream, that's a bestseller. I have some cinnamon buttercream here. So yes, this is cinnamon buttercream, yes. And I have some blueberry cheesecake here. I have some vanilla bean buttercream, but it's not in my reach. But yes. And you have cinnamon buttercream, that's new. Vanilla bean buttercream is a bestseller. Blueberry cheesecake is a bestseller. Baked apple pie is a bestseller. You have almond croissant, that's a bestseller. Breakfast in bed, that's a bestseller. The next category, we have Scentsy spice, just to name a few. You got cider mill, Christmas cottage, cinnamon bear, dancing sugar plums. And then we have another new scent that's brand new. I'm gonna see if I can find that scent for you to be able to see me smell it on camera. Oh, Spice Ember Glow. So this is a brand new scent, guys. Spice Ember Glow. Yes, so this is so good. So these are just to name a few on scents that smell, and I'm just gonna put the descriptions below, guys, so you can actually read them as they go across. So yes, indeed. You have Scentsy men scents. So just to name a few, shop fragrance handpicked for men and those who love more masculine scents, guys. You can go to my website at wicklessallstars.com and you can take a look at all of the scents and all of the descriptions. So just to name a few, you have Around the Campfire. You have Blue Sage and Tonka. Blue Sage and Tonka is a new scent, guys. So Blue Sage and Tonka. Yes, indeed, Blue Sage and Tonka. So that's good. Oh, God, it smells so manly. You have a Mystery Man. You have My Hero. You have Weathered Leather. Those are to name a few. And they're also part of the Woodsy family as well. You have Scentsy Holiday Scents. Just to name a few, you have Snowberry, Very Merry Cranberry. You have Very Snowy Spruce. That's a bestseller. And you have Christmas Cottage. That's a bestseller. Fresh Scents. Just to name a few, you have By the Sea. You have Cozy Cardigan. By the Sea is a bestseller. Cozy Cardigan is a bestseller. You have Jammy Time, and you have Eucalyptus Reef. Eucalyptus Reef. So this is new. eucalyptus reef is new and it smells absolutely amazing, guys. So eucalyptus reef, yes, yes. So you have woodsy scents, just to name a few: Mystery Man, Blue, Sage, and Tonka. Yes, that's a woodsy family. You have Very Snowy Spruce, that's a bestseller. Mystery Man is a bestseller. Blue, Sage, and Tonka is new. You have Very Snowy Spruce, that's a bestseller. You have Weathered Leather, Cedar Cider, and you have Cashmere and Corduroy. Cashmere and Corduroy. Yes, so that is new, guys. That's new to our family. We have fruity scents, just to name a few. You have Black Raspberry and Vanilla, that's a bestseller. You have Snowberry. You have Tinselberry. I have Tinselberry here somewhere, guys. Tinselberry, where are you, Tinselberry? Tinselberry. I know I have Tinselberry here somewhere, guys. Oh, here it is. I had it in the box. Okay, so Tinselberry. Oh man, it's so good. Tinselberry is new, guys. It's new to our Scentsy family. So Tinselberry. We have Winter Apple Tea, that's a bestseller. And we have Pomegranate Prosecco. Pomegranate Prosecco. Now that is a new scent. That is a new scent, new to the Scentsy family, and it smells just like Prosecco. Yes, Pomegranate Prosecco smells so good. And then we have citrus scents, just to name a few. We have Blue Grotto. I don't have Blue Grotto here on the table, but I do have some Blue Grotto counter clean, so it's so good. We have Sunkissed Citrus. We have Squeeze the Day. Squeeze the Day is normally my favorite. You guys know that I am a lemon lover. I am a lemon lover. Yes, indeed. So I love Squeeze the Day. So that's definitely my favorite. And Coconut Lemongrass. So yeah, these Squeeze the Day is a bestseller. Blue Grotto is a bestseller. Sunkissed Citrus is a bestseller. So is Coconut Lemongrass. They've been around. They're classic scents, and people absolutely love them. So we have floral scents, and that's Luna. Luna is one of our floral scents. It comes in everything Scentsy. There are so many amazing Scentsy scents, guys, to choose from. You have over 80 scents to choose from, 80 different scents to choose from, guys. So many categories to choose from. You can even mix and match and make your own Scentsy scents. So, for example, I'm going to give you an example. Say we popped out one of these cubes. You pop out one of these cubes, put one cube in there, and then say you want to, this is Spice Ember Glow, right? And so say you want to mix it up with Pomegranate Prosecco, and you popped out one of these cubes, so you put one cube each, or you can slice the cube in half, and you can make your own recipe, and you can name it whatever you want. You can call it Pomegranate Glow, or Prosecco Spiced. You can just make up your own scent recipe and just have fun, changing out scents, mixing up scents, and just making your house smell absolutely amazing. Another scent that I like that smells absolutely so good is Cinnamon Buttercream. Smells so good. Cinnamon Buttercream. We have another one here, Scarlet Sunflower. These are all new scents, guys. New scents. Scarlet Sunflower, Cinnamon Buttercream. Those are so good. So that is my sum of all of the scents that I feel that are strong, that smell good. And you have so many to choose from. It's up to you and your olfactory system, up to your nose on what you love about Scentsy, what do you love about scents. And I say just enjoy scents, enjoy life, just have fun, guys, and do your thing. So thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I will see you guys in the next Scentsy video. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Have a good night. Talk to you soon. Love you guys so much. Good night.